Raised islands and crossings shall be cut through level with the street or have curb ramps at both sides. Each curb ramp shall have a level area of 48 inches long minimum by 36 inches wide minimum at the top of the curb ramp in the part of the island intersected by the crossing. This is the second example. Curb ramps on both sides, 36 inches minimum wide. That's the minimum width of an accessible route. And we change it from 36 inches long to 48 inches to give yourself some separation between running slopes here. The other option was cut through level. This is easier on folks to avoiding coming up one ramp and then going down another one and vice versa. Just cut through at the same level, just to go through the island is a great design as well.